The Holden Commodore features a driver information centre that displays vehicle information on an 8-inch screen in the centre of the instrument cluster. Information will differ or may not be available depending on whether the car is being driven or at a standstill. For Calais V, Calais V Tourer and RSV, there are 5 main menus. And for VXR, there are 6 main menus. These are Info, which includes trip and fuel information; VXR with performance data, VXR model only; audio, enabling music browsing and changing the audio source; navigation, enabling route guidance; phone, enabling managing and performing of phone calls; and options, which allows you to change between 2 different display themes, them being sport or touring mode. When selected, each menu will display information pertaining to that particular function, and may also include further sub-menus and pages for more detailed information. To select and navigate through the various menus and functions, use the circular button on the right-hand side of the steering wheel. To open a main menu page, press the backwards arrow, then either the up or down arrow to select the main menu page you wish to open. Once selected, press the tick button in the centre and then use the up and down arrows to select sub-pages. If there is a further folder available, you can access it by pressing the forward arrow. Then again use the up and down arrows to make your selection and confirm by pressing the tick button. Once a main menu function has been selected, it will remain active until another main menu item is selected. As well as displaying driver-selected information, the Driver Information Centre will also display vehicle or service messages as required. To acknowledge these and return to the function selected, simply press the tick button to confirm you have read the message.